How to log in Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can log in Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to log into Netflix, it is very simple. All you have to do is simply just make sure that you have downloaded the Netflix application, and then you will be able to set this type of interface where, first of all, if you have your account details saved, you can log in using the saved email and password, or you can directly tap the login button. Before that, if you have not yet created an account, you can tap on get started, or you can directly tap the login option from the top right. Make sure to go ahead and then enter the email address associated with your Netflix account and go on about entering your password. Once that both of your details are correct, you can tap the sign in option here, and then you will be successfully signed into Netflix. Another thing is that if you just happen to forget your password, you can also tap the forgot password option here in order to reset your Netflix password. But to give you an idea, this is how you can log in Netflix. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.